que toca o seu som.
Então vamos.
Fábio, agora sabe quem que vai trazer por aqui?
Quem?
Ah, pera aí, vê se é tudo certo aqui, né? Vamos trazer o Russ Smith and Friends, que eu falei, Russ Smith e os amigos dele. Russ Smith and Friends.
Ah, sim, muita música boa chegando, né?
É, muita música chegando. Russ Smith and Friends.
Ele tá em todas as plataformas e já, né? Tá na TV também, né?
Russ Smith, tá, Fábio.
É, muita música boa, então.
A música chama-se Church Bell Blues, ou seja, blues de sinos de igreja. Church Bell Blues.
Que legal.
Contar a história deles aqui brevemente, né, de Russ Smith and Friends.
Então conta aí pra gente escutar.
Vamos citar de Athens, Ohio, né? Aliás, Athens, Ohio, nos Estados Unidos, é reconhecida como um paraíso musical.
Ah, muita música chegando, então, né?
Fala assim como a Atenas na Geórgia, né? Mas o que acontece? A cidade abriga diversos artistas, incluindo Russ Smith, Zeke Hutchison, Terry Douds e The Local Girls. Bruce Delzel e que mais? E o Bob Montalto, entre outros, Fábio.
Nossa, é uma dupla tudo muito bom aí, né? Uma dupla dinâmica.
Então, bora de Russ Smith and Friends com Church Bells Blues, Fábio.
Bora lá, então. Bora lá.
Autoria de Luke Jordan.
Church bells ringing, secretaries singing, preachers preaching. Can't you hear the sisters shout? There's children in the pulpit. My mama's trying to learn a song. That low down dirty deacon took my gal and gone. I've done more for you, mama, way last winter. Scuffled through the summer, we suffered in the fall. I've done more for you, mama, than the good Lord has ever done. Now you're fussing about your good head. The Lord didn't give you one. So hand me back that hat I bought you, the coat and waist. Give me back the shawl I bought you, the shoes and all. If you don't like your daddy, you got no right to carry on and squall. Give me back the wig I bought you, let your doggone head go bald. I can't be no bank boss, baby, no superintendent. Can't clerk no commissary. I ain't gonna work on no tipple, cause I promised the good Lord I wasn't gonna dig no coal. I think I'll stay here in the country, try to find some jelly rolls. Fix me no breakfast, make me no lunch. Scuffle about my supper. She threw me out the door and had the nerve to ask me would a matchbox hold my clothes. She had the nerve to ask me if a matchbox would hold my clothes. Ooh, my brother had 'em, my sister had 'em, my auntie had 'em. My father died with him. I woke up this morning, Lord, I had the weary blues. Look over in the corner, poor old grandma had them too. Church bells ringing, secretaries singing, preachers preaching. Can't you hear the sisters shout? There's children in the pulpit. My mama's trying to learn a song. That low down dirty deacon took my gal and gone.
95.9 Brazil.